We manufacture plastic tubing and connectors for tubing. So we really enjoy selling to various industries, including medical, pharmaceutical, beverage, automotive, pneumatic, general industrial. So we really enjoy the diversity of being able to sell to many different markets. The benefits of IQMS with our customers are many. We were really bogged down by multiple systems. So we'd have CRM in this little software package, we'd have QuickBooks, and then we'd have multiple spreadsheets that were compensating for what we didn't have across the board. And thankfully, I found IQMS. Having that knowledge of the industry was a huge benefit for our company. When I saw what IQMS had to offer, I knew that was the answer that I'd been looking for.
Currently, we ship millions of parts a month, and we ship to 40 different countries. We have a distribution chain that we have to supply. In order for us to meet the demand that our customers are looking for, we have chosen to go to a 24/7 manufacturing operation. We run 2 shifts with human interaction, and then we run the last shift unmanned. IQMS has given us that ability to produce parts with no human interaction. When I came on board a number of years ago, we had this struggle where you had silos. You had the shipping silo, you had production silo, you had the sales silo, and none of them were really communicating. With the implementation of IQMS, we've actually been able to remove those silos. We were able to function as one unit. We want to make sure that the customer is getting the product in the time that they need it. In order to do that, we have to have production making those parts so that it is possible to ship on time. So we were shipping half of the parts late. And customers are depending on us to ship something on time. In some cases, if a late part ships from Eldon James, then we may shut down an entire production line because they're waiting on one specific key fitting. With the implementation of IQMS, we were able to take that deficit of 50% and actually push it to a 98% on time. That was crucial for us. Eldon James is into communication. We want to make sure that we're communicating with the customer. We want to make sure that we're internally communicating. Real time allows us to do that because it gives us real-time data when we need it and how we need it. Our CEO is able to take a look at the information that we gather from real time and make honest business decisions based off of that. Do we need more machines? Are we keeping up with production? There are a lot of things that can be done off a knee-jerk reaction, but if you have the data behind that, it makes the decision-making process much easier.
IQMS has helped improve our reject rates from 30% down to 2%, which has made a huge impact through our entire quality management system. You can see a lot from data. You can see where you can improve, you can see where our problems are. IQMS has been able to help us utilize that data to improve our quality to our customers. Whether it's the procedures, whether it's the inspections, whether it's cosmetic, we can improve where our focus is, and we can drive that with confidence, knowing that this data is coming from real time, from our inspectors, from our employees that trust the system 100%, knowing that we will do the best we can to improve whatever it is that we need to improve on.
After I'd received the demonstration from IQMS on all the things that it could do for our company, I said, well, we need to make that purchase, and that's probably the single best decision that I've ever made for the company. That was one of those milestones in the history of Eldon James that really allowed the company to grow.